What up, y'all? It's your boy Evan. I am hanging out in front of a giant robot. Today I'm in the land of enchantment, Santa Fe, New Mexico. I'm in front of Meow Wolf, which is an art installation exhibit that is here. It's been for a few years now. I'm gonna check that out. Las Vegas is actually getting one later this year. I'm excited for it. It's gonna be in downtown. But let's go and check this out. Meow Wolf actually has its own functioning arcade with skee-ball and everything. Hell yeah, Meow Wolf has pinball. I told you, I love pinball.
No longer felt content with reflection. We needed the unknown. We needed to explore. We needed to create. An anomaly emerged. Fragmentation happened fast.
I'm still checking out Meow Wolf. This is crazy. And it gets smaller. So I just walked out of Meow Wolf, and I have to say, it was fantastic. It was amazing. It was awesome. It was like part adult jungle gym, part venue, part art exhibit, part murder mystery. You name it, this place has it going on. It is awesome. A lot of cool videos. We'll say you do have to climb and duck and get on your hands and knees sometimes. But also, it's a great experience. Very interactive. There's musical things. There's things you can touch that react to certain things. It is just awesome. So next time, if you are in Santa Fe, you gotta check out Meow Wolf. It is awesome. As I mentioned, Las Vegas is getting one very soon, the end of the year. I'm excited to see what they're gonna do as well. If you're not a New Mexico resident, tickets are about 30 bucks. But even at that price, it's really awesome. There's a bar that you can get certain drinks at. It's got everything, like I said. So if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe right here. And once again, it's your boy Evan. Peace out.